Good morning, friend. We are discussing about the Vision IS 5 question. Let's discuss the first question. First question is related to the polity section. If they are asking about the local government in India, related to which of the following subject? Number first, a subject that under the union list of the Schedule 7. Second, a subject under the concurrent list. A subject under the state list. Number four, within the statutory part of the union. So I can repeat the question. Local government in India is related to which of the following subject? That comes under which of the following list basically? Union list, concurrent list, or state list, or the residuary power that are under the union. So let's see the next question. Next question is related to the basically geography section. They are asking about the which among the following type of the forest predominantly found in the Himalaya region? Number first, deciduous type of forest. Number second, tropical thorn forest. Number third, temperate type of forest. And option in front of here, third, first and third, second and third. I can repeat the question for the better understanding of the question, and I already as discussed the option here, but I again repeat which of the following type of the forest are predominantly found in the Himalayan range. Number first is deciduous forest, tropical thorn forest. Number third, temperate forest, and option in front of you are these. Let's see the next question. Next question is related to the modern history, you can say, or medieval history. He was a Moroccan traveler who came in India during the reign of the Muhammad bin Tughlaq. He wrote a book that name is Rihala, which describes life in the Indian subcontinent. In India, he was appointed as judge also by the MBTO itself, himself basically, Muhammad bin Tughlaq, that is. And which of the following traveler is best described in the above passage? Number first is Al-Biruni, Marco Polo, Fahan, या फिर Ibn Battuta. I can repeat the question. He was a Moroccan traveler who came to India during the reign of the Muhammad bin Tughlaq. He wrote a book named Rihala, which describes life in the Indian subcontinent. In India, he was appointed as judge also. And which of the following described in the above passage? So option in front of here: Al-Biruni, Ibn Battuta, Marco Polo, Fahan. Let's see the next question. Next question is related to the social religious movement that are occurred in 19th century in India, and organization that are made, and whom is the founder. Number first is Tattva Bodhini Sabha, founder is Debendranath Tagore. Number second, Widow Remarriage Association, Raja Ram Mohan Roy. Atamai Sabha, that is Vishnu Shastri Pandit. And option in front of you are these. I can repeat the question so that you have clear cut understanding. Tattva Bodhini Sabha, Debendranath Tagore. Widow Remarriage Association, Raja Ram Mohan Roy. Atamai Sabha, that are made, or the founder of this Sabha is Vishnu Shastri Pandit. And option in front of you are these. Let's see the next question. Next question basically related to the environment section. Is asking about the ecosystem services that are provided by the ecosystem to us. Number first is the soil formation. Second is the nutrient cycle. Number third is habitat for the wildlife. Number fourth is climate regulation is the function of the ecosystem that, and in this ecosystems, in the form of the ecosystem services they are provided to us. Number first is the soil formation, nutrient cycling, habitat for wildlife, and climatic regulation. And option in front of here: first, second, third, fourth, or if third and fourth. Let's see the answer to the first question. First question is related to the local government in India. You know very well it comes under the state list, right? So it's a subject under the state list. Let's see the explanation that are given by the vision itself. Local government is a state subject. State are free to make their own laws on this subject, but these come under through the 73rd and 74th Constitution Amendment Act. The state had to change their law related to the local body in order to bring the conformity with the amended constitution. They were given one time so that they can change the respective state laws in the light of the new amendment that are done through the 73rd and 74th Constitution Amendment in 1992. And basically this is the provision given in the DPSP through Article 40, where the village panchayat is given, and to implement in a better way and to enforce this article, central government come up with this amendment in the constitution itself, so that the whole state can confirm it. It does not mean that the ratification is not done through state. Yes, ratification, half the state ratified this amendment also, and now it to be implemented in all the state. Let's see the next question. Next question is related to the which of the following type of forest predominantly बोला गया in the Himalayan range. So first and third are correct. Deciduous forest, you know very well. In India, 42 or 43% of all the forests that are found in India is a type of a deciduous forest. So that is very good example. And if you are talking about the Himalayan range, where the altitude is very high, where temperate forest is found. So first and third are correct. Tropical thorn forest also found, but not predominantly is found there. So first and third are correct. Let's see the explanation that are given by the vision. The Himalayan range shows the succession of a vegetation from the tropical to the tundra, which with the altitude deciduous forest in the foothill of the Himalaya are found there, and the height also be given, that is 1000 to 2000 meters, and this area is covered through northeast area and you can see here which of the following. Let's see the next question. Next question is related to the Moroccan travel. Yes, it is about the Ibn Battuta. Answer here. He was a Moroccan traveler who came during the reign of the Muhammad bin Tughlaq. He wrote a book named Rihala, which described life in the Indian subcontinent. India, he was appointed as judge. So Ibn Battuta is the correct statement here. Ibn Battuta, book of traveler called Rihala, written in Arabic, provide extremely rich and interesting detail about the social and cultural life of the Indian subcontinent in the 14th century. He was a part of the Muhammad bin Tughlaq court. Ibn Battuta called Delhi the largest city in the eastern part of the Islamic world. He said that the Dawlatabad equaled Delhi in size, as an index of the growth of trade in north and south also. Let's see the next question. I think first is itself correct, second is not correct, and third is not. You know very well, Vidori Marriage Association are formed by the Ishwar Vidyasagar, Ataymi Sabha through Raja Ram Mohan Rai, and Dato Bodhni Sabha, Devendranath Tagore is the founder here. First statement is correct because in 1839, Devendranath Tagore, father of the Rabindranath Tagore, founded the Dato Bodhni Sabha to propagate the Raja Ram Mohan Rai ideas. The Dato Bodhni Sabha and its organ, the Dato Bodhni Patrika, promoted a systematic study of India's past in the Bengali language. Second is also not correct because Vishnu Shastri Pandit founded the Remarriage Association, Vidori Marriage Association in 1850. And third is also not correct because Raja Ram Mohan Rai settled in Calcutta in 1814 and soon attracted a band of the young men and whose cooperation he started the Ataymi Sabha, an association for dissemination of the religious truth and the promotion of the free discussion of the theological subject. Let's see the next question. Next question is related to the economics. Ecosystem service, all are correct here. First, third and fourth. Healthy ecosystem on the base of the world wide range of the economic, environment, aesthetic goods and services that are given from the ecosystem. The product of the ecosystem processes are named as the ecosystem services. For example, healthy forest ecosystem should be there. Purify air, it is provide to us water, mitigate drought, flood, cycle nutrients, generate fertile soil, provide wildlife habitation, maintain biodiversity, regulate climate, pollinate crops, provide storage site for carbon, and also provide aesthetic, cultural and spiritual values also. So all statements are correct. By this we are ending the session. Thank you so much for